Hello. Hi everyone. It's good to be here again. I am so sorry for being away for too long. Please forgive me. I was angry. One, I was angry at YouTube for slashing down my watch hours, and I was super busy. But guys, I am back. Full. This one, I'm not lying. I am here. Okay? So please keep checking on this channel. I'm going to be dropping it one after the other. I am back. I've been able to set up my store. You can see some of my products at the background. And I was also able to travel, see my mom and my sister. I am full. I'm back. I'm fully back. Okay? It's a promise. And I'm not going to go back on this. Okay? So please, Skin Illustrations is back. And I'm going to be dropping these recipes back to back. I'm going nowhere. It's a promise. So support your girl. Let's do it again. Yes, YouTube has done her worst, but I am back. You know, I believe in this saying that quitters don't win and winners don't quit. I'm a winner and I will not quit. So guys, let's do it again. Okay? And I'll be dropping it back to back. So in the comment section, let me know what you want me to talk on. Let me know the recipes you want me to share. Your girl is back. And I promise you, I'm not going back on this. Okay? So till next time, see you guys. Love you so much. Love you with all my heart. Bye for now. Okay?